Welcome to another exciting episode of Startup Saturday, your premier source for the hottest trends and game-changing innovation in the startup world. This week, we explore a groundbreaking AI solution and that are reshaping industries. Let's dive into the dynamic world of startup and discover what's making waves this week. So, let's get started. Dunzo, co-founder of Mukund Jha, in talks to raise 80 crore of his generation AI startup Mukund Jha, co-founder of ex-CTO of Dunzo, is seeking rupees 50 to 80 crore from Together Fund from his new generative AI startup. This move follows as a departure from Dunzo in October 2023 amid its financial struggle. Jha's startup aims to integrate generative AI with the SaaS to enhance quality insurance process by automating error detection and feedback. Together Fund, established in 2021 by Girish Mathrubootham, Manav Garg, and Shubham Gupta, had an initial corpus of $85 million, increasing of $150 million in its second fund. It has invested in over 20 SaaS companies across various sectors, including requirement sale, intelligence, and healthcare. Fintech major Paytm launches India's first NFC card soundbox for offline merchants. Paytm, under Vijay Shekhar Sharma's leadership, has unveiled India's first Paytm NFC card soundbox, a pioneering payment device that merges near-field communication technology with mobile QR payments designed for offline merchants. This device functions both as a card payment terminal and a receipt announcer. It supports payment via credit and debit cards and unified payment interface, enhancing transaction efficiency and convenience. The NFC card soundbox boosts in 10-day battery life, instant audio transition and confirmation, and a display screen of transaction amounts, ensuring transparency. It also supports notification in 11 languages, accommodating diverse merchant needs across India, addressing the limitation of traditional EDC machine. Paytm NFC card soundbox offers a cost-effective, multifunctional solution and streamlining payment acceptance and operation process for small businesses. Rabbit AI raises $2.1 million in a seed round led by a tech curator. Angel Rabbit AI, a generative AI solution startup, has secured $2.1 million in seed funding, led by a tech curators and supported by a various angel investors. Established in 2024 by Haneet SN, the startup offers a comprehensive suite of tools of businesses to develop and implement AI applications. Their platform includes features for creating custom large language models, fine-tuning retrieval augmented generation, and implementing data-centric AI. Additionally, it provides machine learning operation integration and voice bot AI agent. Rabbit AI is a versatile solution enabling business to enhance AI capabilities, foster creativity, optimize process, and meet specific operational needs. This funding round will help the startup expand its offering and support enterprise in leveraging advanced AI technologies effectively. Before we jump back in, let me know if you enjoyed this video with a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button and stay on top of all things tech. Here why you should subscribe. ID Voice is a one-stop shop for the latest startup news. We cover everything and emerging companies and the hottest trends in the industry. We deliver fresh, in-depth content, stay ahead of the curve and understand how startups are shaping our digital world. Hit that subscribe button and join the ID Voice community today. Voice first generative AI startup Noni.ai raises a 30 crore in Series A round. Noni.ai, a Bengaluru-based voice first generative AI startup, raised a 30 crore in a Series A round led by InfoEdge Ventures. Founded in 2016 by Ganesh Gopalan and Anath Nagraj, startup focuses on AI-driven force and automation to enhance customer experience. With this funding, Noni.ai aims to expand its global businesses and sales operations. The company has raised around $8 million in a total. The Samsung Ventures, a key investor. Noni.ai is a platform offers its omni-channel conversational automation, voice biometrics, and analytics, supporting for 14 Indian language and English. Recently, it introduced a voice-first AI small language model for sectors like banking and retail. The startup has helped financial institutions recover for $2 billion in the past 6 months. Google invites Indian Android app developers for a startup program. Google has launched a mentorship program for Indian Android app developers as a part of its Google in a Startup initiative. The program offers access to Google AI technical expertise, Google Cloud credits, and mentorship in a product development, design, and growth strategies. This follows Google's collaboration with the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology to provide AI training in 10,000 Indian startups. At the recent Google I/O Connect 2024 in Bengaluru, Google promised up to $350,000 in a Google Cloud credit. The mentorship program is open to Android developers in a C2 Series A stage, with the application closes on August 15. Additionally, Google has reduced Google Map platform fees in India by up to 90%, effective August 1, allowing developers to pay in rupees instead of US dollars. The new pricing is $1.5 for 1 to 5 million requests, significantly lowering cost of a developer using the platform. That's all for today's startup. We have seen some exciting developments and challenges in the tech world. Keep following us more updates and insight into the ever-evolving startup landscape. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for the latest news and information in the startup world. Stay tuned to IT Voice for your more tech updates.